Let's take a look at these examples. I have negative 8x on the left side, and I have also positive 34. I do not want to have positive 34 on the left side because this one has no x. That's why I'm going to take it and move it to the right side of the equal sign. That's why I'm going to have negative 8x equals negative 6 minus 34. Negative 8x is equal negative 40. Don't confuse negative 6 and negative 34 is equal negative 40. Many students have tendency to confuse and multiply these signs. You don't have to multiply because we have no parentheses. Simply add the numbers and keep the sign anytime you have no parentheses. Next, in order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by negative 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. 1 times x is x equals negative divided by negative gives me positive. 40 divided by 8 is equal 5. This is the solution to my problem. Let's verify this answer by replacing this x by 5. Simply write 34 minus 8 times 5 equals negative 6. 34 minus 8 times 5, which is equal 40, equals negative 6. We have to subtract bigger number from the smaller number. We have to subtract from 40 34, which is equal 6, and keep the sign which is next to the larger number, negative 6, equal negative 6. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why this is correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have to find a. 4 has no a, that's why I'm going to move this 4 to the right side of my equation. And I'm going to have minus 5a equals 24 minus 4. Remember, anytime you move the number or variable to the other side of the equation, and when the other parts of the equation stay at the original positions, we have to change the sign. We change from invisible positive to the negative. Next, I'm going to have 5a equals 24 minus 4 is equal 20. In order to find a, I have to eliminate multiplication. In order to eliminate multiplication, I have to use division. Divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to a, by negative 5, negative 5. This and this will cancel out, and I'm going to have a equals positive, invisible positive divided by negative, gives me negative. 20 divided by 5 is equal 4. This is the solution to my problem. Let's check if this is correct answer. I have to simply replace this a by negative 4. I have 4 minus 5 times negative 4 equals 24. 4 minus 5 times negative 4 is equal positive 20 equals 24. 4 plus 20 is equal 24. 24 is equal 24. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why this is correct answer to my problem.